Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Kenneth. I'm a senior in the IT Academy here at RBR, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my personal experiences, specifically CyberPatriot and my team and our victory this year. So first off, what is CyberPatriot? CyberPatriots, this nationwide competition. It basically puts high schools against each other and competes with them in a competition about securing computers. The whole point of the competition is to teach the youth about security concepts over the internet, data protection, data security, data integrity overall, and basically how to make an internet a safer place and protect people from hackers and other evildoers. And by making it peer to peer and having your teachers mentor you, it really teaches you in this fun and enjoyable way. So as for me personally, my team, the Kiwis, we were a group of juniors at the time, and we were well versed in Ubuntu, Windows 10, Windows Server Debian, and Cisco. And we were also all had basic cybersecurity knowledge thanks to the dual credit Super Cybersecurity course that you can take once you're in the IT Academy. And with all of that knowledge, we were able to place ourselves into the gold division, the second tier, and we were able to qualify for states. And we eventually won gold. So we got first place in our state. And I think it was like a really cool achievement. And we were all stoked. We were all super happy. And it just kind of encouraged us all to just try harder next year and get into tier one. So I personally said that the IT Academy had an extremely significant impact on the way I learned cybersecurity. And by being able to apply my knowledge into something was very fun and satisfying to see. It was satisfying to see my knowledge come into play. But that is my experience, and I'm thanking you guys for hearing me. Have a nice day.